Alright, y'all, we out here on the 64th floor. I'm so scared. Oh my god. I'm so scared of heights, but this is awesome. And yeah, this way doesn't really do it justice, but I will show you guys, and I'll show you once we get the drinks. Oh my god, I'm so scared. Oh, beautiful.
Beautiful garnish for the beautiful girl.
Very swai.
Yeah, very swai.
Thank you.
Enjoy, madam.
Thank you. Wow.
Good morning and welcome. We are in Bangkok and we are gonna get some brunch. Had a late start to the day, and yeah, we're gonna go get breakfast at this place called Lucca. Are you ready?
Never been readier. Here we go. I'm so sorry about this obnoxious bite.
Hallelujah. Hallelujah.
So we got a French toast bacon with an egg on top and some fruit for your boy.
Insane.
Looks good. So just finished up at the Lucca, Bangkok. Breakfast was pretty good. That was my second breakfast of the day. Sanaz missed first, so we figured we'd go have another breakfast. It's good for me. I just had kind of a little dessert type thing. And yeah, it was pretty good. I think that was one of the best French toasts I've ever had. And yeah, now we're gonna go check out MBK Center. So MBK Center is like Bangkok's biggest fake market. So it has all the fake clothing and stuff like that. All the Chinese knockoffs. We're gonna go check that out, see if I can get any steals and deals. So we just took a long tuk-tuk ride all the way out to this night market, and it looks pretty cool so far. It's packed. We're gonna go try to find some food and some drinks and see what we can find out here. So I just got my first thing is a deer kebab. They have a whole bunch of different stuff I'll show you guys. But yeah, I'll show you once I get it, show you what it looks like, and I'll tell you how it is, but it looks like it's gonna be pretty good. So I'm gonna try out my deer burger, or my deer kebab. I guess it's technically venison, but let's see what it's like. Oh, it's so good. It's got that classic kebab taste, the classic like gyro style taste, the like cinnamony sugar flavoring, the nice venison meat, very good. So just ate some pad thai and some fried rice at this little shop here. It's basically just right on the way into the main entrance.
Thank you. So I gotta pimp my own breakfast where I made my own choices, and this is what I choose: bagel, eggs, hash browns, avocado, and some bacon. So now it's got the Tom Yum Eggs Benedict, which is basically Tom Yum hollandaise sauce, salmon, eggs on a brioche bun. Looks good. So I just got our coffees and pretty good. I got a cold brew. Snaz got her classic vanilla latte. Pretty impressed with the place. Food was good. Service is good. Everything good here. So yeah, nice and aesthetic, as Snaz would say. So today we have a flight to Chiang Mai. And basically I had to come back to MBK Center because we need a suitcase. Turns out we don't have enough room to leave our stuff here. So we need something a little bit bigger so we can leave it. So we don't have to pay extra for the flights again. So yeah, I'm just gonna grab a suitcase real quick, head back because I gotta be back in time for our flight. Basically have like another 20 minutes and we gotta go to the airport. So yeah, I'm kind of in a rush. So I got this suitcase here, 1,000 baht, 40 bucks. Seems like a decent price. Oh.
So yeah, we got our suitcase situation figured out. Basically we just packed half of our stuff away, and yeah, we're taking 2 suitcases. And yeah, just lesson for you guys: if you're going on a long trip, make sure you underpack, because if you're taking flights around, it's a lot more convenient to basically have less stuff, because then you don't have to pay all these extra fees. So it's a lot easier that way.
Don't be extra.
So yeah, message to Sanaz and all the other girls out there who like stuff. Alrighty, so finally we are on the way to Chiang Mai. We're just in the taxi. Yeah, should have enough time for our flight. Hopefully nothing goes wrong. And yeah, we'll be there in about half an hour to the airport, and then from there we will go to Chiang Mai, and we'll see you when we get there.
So we've made it to the airport. Everything's all good. Got our boarding passes, all checked in. And we're just gonna go to our gate, maybe get a little snack, and yeah, we're good to go. Thank goodness, nice and easy this time. See you when we get there. Baby, boom.
Last one's on the plane.
Last one's on the plane. We're about to take off. Chiang Mai, here we come.